Coronavirus row, Narendra Modi to interact with chief ministers tomorrow. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in plans to interact with all the chief ministers of the Indian states through a video conferencing tomorrow to discuss about the situation of the coronavirus and about the ongoing vaccination drive. The virtual interaction will take place at 12:30 p.m. on Wednesday, informed the officials. Modi last interacted with the chief ministers in January this year. All the healthcare officials and the frontline workers are vaccinated in the first phase of the vaccination drive in the country. When there is a huge decline in the number of cases, the new case kept rising from the past couple of weeks. After 26,294 new cases reported in India on Sunday, a total number of 24,492 new cases are reported in the country in the last 24 hours. The total tally of cases till date reported stands at 1,14,09,831. The number of recoveries in India are at 1,10,27,543, and the total number of active cases climbed to 2,23,432. A total number of 1,58,856 people passed away in the country due to coronavirus, and the total number of people who received the vaccination for coronavirus are 3,29,47,432. Maharashtra, Kerala and Punjab account for 77% of the new cases in the country that are reported in the last 24 hours.